Okay guys, welcome back to my channel. The Mercedes-Benz G-Class, will now feature in the world of luxury off-road vehicles, is making headlines once again for its top-notch feature in 2025. The latest lineup shine in every situation, thanks to its enhanced performance brought on by electric-powered drive system, contemporary system for assisting the driver, a boost in comfort, and the leap forward in the digital features. The standard models, known as the G550 and the G500 in certain markets, have swapped their previous V8 engine for a new turbocharged 3.0-liter 6-cylinder engine that includes the mild hybrid system. This system combines an exhaust gas turbocharger with an electric auxiliary compressor, providing the G-Class with 443 horsepower and 413 pound-feet of torque. The mild hybrid setup includes an integrated starter generator that contributes an additional 20 horsepower and 148 pound-feet. This setup results in a total power increase of 27 horsepower over the older model, though it does have slightly less torque. While the G550 has intense in its engine size, the more powerful G63 model remains the same. It keeps its twin-turbo 4.0-liter V8 engine, boasting 577 horsepower and 627 pound-feet of torque, along with the 48-volt mild hybrid system found in the standard model. This powerhouse can accelerate from 0 to 60 mph in just 4.2 seconds. The 2025 updates for both the G550 and G63 models include minor visual enhancement. Notably, the G63 offers a new manufactured Hyper Blue Magno color option, comes with adaptive LED headlights as standard, and feature an updated bumper design. Customers can choose from 6 different sizes of wheels, ranging from 20 to 22 inches. A 9-speed automatic transmission with a torque converter has been introduced, providing a broader range of gear ratios. Standard all-wheel drive features a 40 to 60 torque split. Despite the reduced engine size in a G550, its software capabilities remain impressive. It includes 3 mechanical differential lock and a transfer case that allow for lowering off-road gearing. The vehicle maintains its 9.5 inches of ground clearance and its 30 and 31-degree approach and departure angles, respectively. Mercedes has incorporated an off-road cockpit feature into the MBUX infotainment system to enhance the off-roading experience. These features show information such as the vehicle position, altitude, steering angle, and temperature on a 12.3-inch touchscreen and digital instrument cluster, with customization options available for user. Additionally, the transparent hood feature originally found on the EQE and GLC is also included, enabling drivers to see the ground beneath the front end of the car through the 360-degree camera system. Mercedes has not disclosed the price for the updated G-Class. The 2024 model began at $144,150 with the G63 price at $180,950. Prices for the 2025 models are anticipated to increase slightly.